What's up guys, it's Carabella, welcome back. Today we're gonna be cooking breakfast together. I've got a special surprise for you. My famous avocado toast. It's actually not famous, but it's so bomb and so healthy. You're gonna wanna make this, it is so good. All right guys, so these are the ingredients you're gonna need when making this famous avocado toast. Spinach leaves, 1/2 of an avocado, 2 slices of Dave's killer bread, lemon pepper. This is lemon pepper, California style. And of course, eggs. These are just regular organic eggs. So this is what we're gonna need. So get your ingredients ready, and also a small pan, because we're gonna make the egg in this pan right here. Let's get it, guys. Okay, the first thing you gotta do is put the toast into the toaster. I like to have my toast already prepared before the egg is ready because the egg cooks so quickly. If you don't have your toast prepared, sometimes you forget about the egg cooking and then the yolk is hard, and that's not the goal here. So toast it until it's pretty brown, but like almost burnt, like just super hard and crunchy, because we're gonna put avocado on it and egg and tomato, and all those things have moisture, and you don't want your bread to already be kind of like limp, because then it's just gonna be like a soggy avocado toast and nobody wants that, okay? While waiting for the toast to get ready, I like to just slice my avocado like down the center in long slices and then over into little cubes. This makes it just super easy to get it out of the avocado and like smash it into the bread. So I'll prep that. I've already prepped the slices of tomato. The spinach leaves are nice and cut off the long tails that spinach leaves have. And then I'm not gonna turn on my stove yet until that is done. This recipe is so easy, so quick to make. It takes like 10 minutes and you have bomb, beautiful, filling avocado toast. I'm telling you, these are gonna come out big, so get ready. You guys, this is actually my second time recording this video. I made this video yesterday, but I put the camera a little bit farther away, so you guys couldn't even really see what I was doing. Plus, the lens was not focused. It was completely like grainy, and it just looked so bad. I was editing it and I was like, oh no, like I'm gonna have to redo this, which is fine because I love this meal anyways. So this is the next day and we're having it for breakfast because it's fire. Now that the toast is like almost there, I'll just heat up the pan. Ooh, move these eggs away so we don't burn them. Speaking of burning things, I put a candle on this morning when I got in the shower, and I threw my pajamas on the counter. I got out of the shower and I had thrown, like I slept in like a big sweater. I had thrown it like right on top of the candle and it was like turning black. I was so happy it didn't catch fire. I was like, how did this not catch fire? My dumbass was just like careless about it. Okay, toast is ready. So if you guys are like, this is what I mean by like dark toast. You know what I mean? And then just do half avocado on each slice. Just like that. This is such a good breakfast meal. Oh my God, I'm telling you. And then we're gonna smash this in. But while I do that, I'm going to put an egg in here. I've got my oil on the pan so that the egg doesn't stick. That's super important when you're making over easy eggs, you guys. I know so many people who are just like throw the egg in on the pan and then they're like, why doesn't the egg work? It's like, you don't work, like you're not doing it right. Okay, smash in the avocado while we're cooking the egg. Just like that. Then you want to take your spinach leaves and put them down first. I'm only going to do one side. I love a lot of spinach, so if you don't love this much spinach, that's totally normal. Put your tomatoes on top, and then take the lemon pepper and then put that on top, and put that on both pieces, just like that. Where's the flipper? I like flung it over. I was like, chef. I think we're done. I don't like to leave it on the opposite side for too long because that's how you cook the yolk too much. And we don't want to cook the yolk that much. And then you just flip it over. Bam, just like that. And there you have it, guys. I'm not gonna make 2 eggs. Usually I would make 2 pieces, but I ran out of tomato this morning. Those are my last 2 slices. And I'm not that hungry. It's still really early in the morning, and I don't really like to eat that much early morning. This is when I do my juicing and things like that. All right, let's give you guys an up close and personal view of the avocado toast. So this is what it looks like, you guys. So fire, so bomb. We have the full-on avocado toast. This is just avocado and toast, literally. You could sprinkle some olive oil on top of there. It's so good. And then we have the whole thing. Honestly, if you wanted to, you could make it a sandwich and just flip it over and put it together. So bomb like that too. But this is the final product. It's so good, you guys. I'm telling you, you have to, I'm like salivating. It's not good. So yeah. You know I have to try my recipes on camera with you guys, so we are going to bite into this. Hopefully I don't make a mess of myself because I look so fresh and so clean. Okay. I can't even get the egg in my mouth. Oh my God. It is so good. It's so good. Let me eat this. Yes. Good job to me. I must say though, breakfast is my favorite meal of the day, and I'm pretty good at cooking breakfast. Any type of breakfast, really. I can make potatoes, bacon, sausage, omelets. That's like the only area where I am competent in the kitchen. So breakfast is my thing. I hope you guys give this recipe a shot. It is so good, so healthy, and so worth it. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.